Chris Brown's Aventador SV Roadster. We're gonna transform it to gold chrome. Chris wanted this color specifically. It's gonna be very flashy, but we're gonna do it right. We're gonna retain some carbon fiber pieces, make it all go together really well. Even though it's gold chrome, it's flashy, it's gonna look good.
I just wanna get done with you.
Yeah, we currently have the rear bumper and the wing base off. We're about to take the rockers off, front bumpers off. The wing can stay on. With the SV, it's a fixed wing. It's actually kind of easier to leave that on there. The door panels with the door handles, mirrors next, and then we'll take some of the engine vents out as well. We're almost there. It's white. It's one of the most difficult colors to ever wrap another color. White is very obvious underneath as a base, so you have to do it right to get rid of the white. So this car, you guys will see from white to gold, and after we're done, you're not going to see any more white.
So we have a Mini Cooper that came in today. It came in for service, and we're doing valve cover gaskets also. A lot of mechanical work, car's misfiring, has an oil leak. We're doing spark plugs, filter, everything's gonna be done today and given back to the customer at the end of the day.
This one, we're doing service. We just replaced the serpentine belt. We're putting everything back.
So in Italy, Lamborghini gives these special SVs to a body shop, small body shop, but very, very good paint jobs. They do all of the SVs, and they even put it on the front rebar, Imperial painting. That's the color car. It's pretty cool stuff. So whenever you take off the bumper off these Aventadors, there's a bunch of information on the rebars that you can find. Going good. We finished up the engine bonnet. We're going to start the quarter panels. All the vents are off, so we should be able to finish up the wrap today and then start putting the car back together. We've done gold chrome before. It's very, very flashy. One of the flashiest wraps you could get. Every time we do it, I fall in love again. But you know, you got to be a certain type of person to drive something like this. It gets crazy attention. I think on the SV with the carbon fiber and the black parts on it, it's gonna look really nice because gold and black is a great combination. So we're excited to get this SV going.
It's the hat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now he's official.
I just got this new hat.
Nice.
It's very cool. Nice color.
So we have a Range Rover here. Earlier today we got a call about a lot of brake problem, noise, vibration. So it's here. We did the inspection and it turns out to be that this customer absolutely had no brakes on the car, metal to metal. So we are doing the brake pads, rotors, and sensors front and back, along with service, so we can get this car out of here and give it to him today. So this is the old brake pad on the car. As you can see, it is all damaged. There's a lot of lines and a lot of dirt. So it's time to be replaced. We have brand new one here. This is how it should be for a very long time. So these are the new pads we're gonna do right now.
Alright, so we're wrapping up the gold chrome Aventador SV Roadster. Still needs a few finishing touches. We have some wheels on order. The SV stickers for the back quarter panels are being made right now. So right now we're gonna wash it up, detail it, shoot some video pictures. It's still got a little bit to go, so we're still working on it. The gold chrome looks crazy in the sun. Took it around the block one time and everybody's, you know, staring, taking pictures already. So you see all the door jambs are now gold chrome. This car was white. So white is the toughest car to convert to another color for wraps. But this we got gold chrome on the whole door jambs. So you open it up, it's gold. Seatbelt first, children. Two tips. Seatbelt. Number one tip. Second tip, if you have an Aventador, you have to have an aftermarket exhaust system. This one is stock. Sounds good, but they deserve a straight pipe. They sound amazing. You guys have seen us do several of them. Wakes up neighbors. A lot of fun. The car is driving perfectly. There's no issues. There's no lights except for the gas, which Aventadors by now, you guys know, always need gas. So the cool thing about Roadsters is you have a little window between the two seats. I'm gonna open it and you guys could hear the difference. So even with the top up, you could open the window, you could hear the engine noise more if you're into that, and close it back up for more quiet.